Hello. Today I'm going to show you a research-tested natural treatment for low T. Low T, or low testosterone, is a condition in which a man's body is not producing enough testosterone. If you've been experiencing decreased sex drive, problems with erections, decreased muscle strength, increased body fat, or depression, you might have low T. Testosterone replacement therapy is the usual medical remedy. Testosterone replacement therapy can be very effective, but may cause side effects like sleep problems, skin reactions, enlarged breast, and testicular shrinkage. Fortunately, studies are now showing that stimulating certain acupuncture points may increase testosterone naturally and without any side effects. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to find and activate 3 acupressure points to help boost testosterone levels. It's recommended that you use all 3 acupuncture points because they work together for best results. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist. I'm certified in Acupoint physical medicine and in pet acupressure therapy. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point I would like to demonstrate is found in your middle finger. This point is called return to nest, and it is only treated on one hand, although it doesn't matter which hand you choose. The point is located on the pinky finger side of your middle finger. First, find the lower crease on your finger right over here, and then find the higher crease on your finger right over here. Then find the point midway between the two right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Apply moderate pressure or circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes like this. The next point is located on your lower leg. This point is called leg 3 miles. It is located the width of 4 fingers below your kneecap. It is said that if you felt tired and activated this point, it would give you the strength to walk another 3 miles. This point is very popular with people who like to run or jog. To locate this point, find the bottom of your kneecap right over here. Then find the point that is the width of 4 fingers below that, right here. Now, find the point that is the width of 1 fingertip to the side of that, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the spot. Activate this point by massaging the area in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes, like this. Now find and activate this point on your other leg. Leg 3 miles is traditionally used to strengthen the body, improve digestion, and improve leg flexibility. The final point of this powerful trio is called gate of origin. This point is located a little below your belly button. To locate this point, find your belly button right here. Now find the point that's the width of 4 fingers below that, right over here. Press in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Apply firm pressure in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes, like this. The gate of origin point is traditionally used for male sexual problems, gynecological problems in both urinary retention and urinary incontinence. If you have any symptoms of low T, or if you just want to feel younger and stronger, I suggest that you find and activate return to nest, leg 3 miles, and gate of origin 3 times a day for 30 days, then use as needed thereafter. Now, let's take a look at what to do for occasional or recurrent back pain. I've put my video here. Check it out.